Okay, I don't know how to start this. Oh my gosh. Merry Christmas. Hello ladies and gents, welcome to the floor of my apartment. My name is Malia and I make fashion and lifestyle videos, especially today, as I am trying out something a little icky, a little gross, especially if it's not your thing. Proceed with caution. I am trying out this ear cleaner that has a camera on it. So I'm gonna stick this bad boy in my ear, which right now, disclaimer, I don't think that you're supposed to do this. I don't think that this is necessarily safe. If I die, you're gonna see it, so like that is one upside. But I don't think that it's like known to be a safe thing to do. I clean my ears out like every single day. I use Q-tips. I know you're not supposed to, I know you're supposed to go to a doctor, so I can only imagine that this is also not good to do. I'm gonna link it down below so you can see what I'm talking about if you're interested in it, but please do not use it without being careful or talking to someone or something like that. Sorry, my mom messaged me. She knows I'm doing bad things. Again, please be so careful. If you do this, I'm not telling you to do it. I'm doing it so you don't have to. That should be my little slogan. Trying out products so you don't have to. I feel like someone definitely already has done that. I'm really nervous, as you can tell. This is what it is. It comes in like this little chic box, making you think you're getting like an iPhone or something. Okay, I got it off of Amazon. I think it's called Bird. Oh, B 3 lines, Bird. Smart visual ear cleaner, ear clean rod, ear spoon, and accessories, instructions, product model C3. This is the bad boy, so it's gonna look something like this. I chose white because it looked cute and I'm really scared. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna film it on my phone and pop it up on the screen so you can also see it, and I'm gonna venture into this and you guys are gonna come with me. Welcome to my product reviews, where I don't plan out anything and I'm very scared. Lifetime warranty. There's no warranty on your ears. Oh, a small business. Cool. Read that later. It comes with instructions, so we're gonna read the QR code to download app. The floor's not comfortable, I just wanna say that right now. It's white, it's chic, it's cute. It comes with a little charger. Oh, I might have to charge. I did not think about that. And the little ear spoons. So, ear spoons. Oh, BE Bird or Bird. So you download the app. Black Bee Intelligence Manufacturing. This is what it looks like. They have a lot of different models. Model C3. Okay, please note first. Charge first, then use. Experience is better. Okay, I'm gonna charge this. It tells you like what to do. This is what's going in my ear. So I assume the camera is just in the middle right here. Charging ports at the bottom with one button. This is like the most simple thing I've ever seen for like the most complicated task. I'll be right back. This might be totally fine. This product might be like a great thing to use. I just don't know what's right and what's wrong in the ear community. I know cotton swabs are bad, so maybe this is good because it's like scooping the wax out of your ear. Long press for 1 second to turn it on. Ooh, next. Rotate to install ear spoon. Start using. Okay, we're connected to Wi-Fi. We have 100% battery. We have 68 minutes of this. Horizontal screen use. Pick left ear mode. If the picture is unclear, please use the alcohol cotton to clear the lens. Oh! Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh, that's disgusting. No one wants to see anyone's ear that closely. Okay, wait, left ear mode. Okay. We're gonna take this. I'm gonna prop my phone up right here. I don't normally get this grossed out about things, but like, okay, the issue is you can get distracted and go in too deep. There's a hair on it. Oh my gosh. Oh, I need commentary from someone. See, the fact that I'm alone, I feel like makes it a little worse. because now I'm like freaking out. Oh my gosh, that's so gross. That is so gross. I'm crying. Okay, I have a thing to clean it off with. Round 2, let's go. This isn't as bad as compared to what I've seen on like videos and things, you know. I have a cleaner thing here, don't worry. Oh my gosh. What is that? What is freckle on the inside of my ear? I'm sure this is really attractive. Okay, why are the inside of ears so hairy? I had no clue. I wonder what happens if I do this for a while. Oh my gosh, that's disgusting. There's little hairs on it. Oh my gosh, you guys. Maybe it's like not that much and I'm just freaking out, but like, tell me why. Oh my gosh. Guys. I'm gonna throw up. Okay, this can be so dangerous. So for some reason, if you do try this, please be so careful. Like just with anything. I don't know why I'm so queasy about this. I'm gonna try the other ear, which will be hard because I'm left-handed. Whew. I don't know what that is, but that looks disgusting. Oh no, I saw something in there. Oh no, what is that? Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Could you imagine if I wasn't recording this whole time and I had to redo this? What in the slime? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see that? Ooh. Oh my gosh. I have a duty. Oh, I got it stuck on the other part of my ear. Do you guys see this? Do I have to bring you back to my ear for it to be seen? Does your ear ever itch? Because mine is itching right now. I think that I would go on a Q-tip with the very outer part of my ear after this. Whew. Oh. Why are there so many hairs in the ear? Like, yeah, I get that it's important and all. It's freaking me out a little bit. Maybe the trick is to like not look at it at all. I feel like I'm putting on mascara, you know, the face you make when you're like, I'm learning a lot about the ears right now. Okay, this definitely isn't as bad as I thought it was. I will definitely link it down below since I haven't dyed yet. I could also see how if you do have like a lot of buildup, you could make it worse. Q-tips and all that stuff. Ooh. Could you imagine if you were sick? Should I go deep within my ear? I'm so scared. Oh, okay, so that's the issue right there. So this thing bends, so it's like a silicone thing. So if you're seeing it like not line up with the camera, that's probably what's going on. I might be doing this completely wrong. Also, I'm just trusting the product, not telling you how to do it. Okay, so there's a focus lens too. Oh my gosh, look at that. So I saw a video of this on TikTok and it actually like relaxed me, and it was funny because I normally get like really grossed out by this stuff, and so for whatever reason I now own one of these. I'm gonna look at all this footage and all the faces that I'm making. Do not be around anything or anyone that will bump or hit you when you do this, because I don't think you'll make it. Oh my gosh, look at all this wax. I think that I can officially hear color now. Oh, whew. Oh my gosh, you guys, okay. Well, yeah, that was the video. That was literally all the video is. Despite how gross that was, it was so satisfying. I'm not gonna even try to lie to you guys. This is a lot less dangerous than I thought it was. It kind of like tickled and like kind of like itched a part of my ear that like needed to be itched. I don't really know how to describe it, but I actually enjoyed that experience. I don't know how to say it, but I will link it down below if you guys want to check it out for yourselves. Again, be careful. I am not telling you to do this, but if you do, please be safe and careful. A very easy experience, actually. A little tricky to like get the hang of the angles and everything, using the camera. I love you guys. I hope you're having a great Christmas season. I'm gonna go like clean out the outer parts of my ear. I feel like I can hear so much better, but also like I feel really tingly. Super interesting. I'm sorry if that grossed you out. I love you guys. Good luck if you do it. If you do try it, please let me know. Please leave any comments you want down below, and I would love to talk to you guys, and I will see you all very, very soon. Merry Christmas.